to get an alert.
Because I'm relieving my sister today. She's been helping me all week.
Oh yeah?
Transition everything.
Nice. Oops.
So with this live, are you answering questions?
If somebody asks me, I will.
Somebody said, how are the roads? Somebody said, paved.
Really? That's so wrong. So how about I made cinnamon roll like 2 weeks ago, girl? It was so good.
Did you?
I did a cream cheese frosting thing with it and put it on top of it. It was so good. Sorry. Ruthma Chavez Lopez. Oh, I wish I could speak Spanish. I don't know. Cuando sale ese trabajo, amiga? I know the amiga part. Hi, friend. Can somebody translate? What does that say in the comment section? I hate that I can't speak Spanish, y'all. I gotta learn. I was, but I just felt like I was just doing such elementary stuff.
Well, you have to do the elementary until you get...
I know, it's like I got that part, but then when I started talking, I just was like, I don't know what you just said. But then, I'm getting everything right on this app. At least I recognize the fact that she said amiga because I'm female and not amigo. Because one is for male, one is for female. Thank you.
I noticed that my head was going.
Torturing my back.
Those days. I need these. Hot sake. Oh yeah, I need to order that.
Your cold feet. You want me to oil your scalp after?
Do you think it needs it?
No. Sometimes some people like it. Have I ever asked you that before? It's because you're at the point where I'm not scared anymore. You're graduating, girl.
I see. Like before, I would be like in trouble,
smacking your hand
yeah,
and
like
everything.
you cannot ever put that on your scalp ever. So I'm like, well,
what? Did I hear right?
Do I really need that?
You don't need it though. Just asking. Oh, you want to do the bead thing? Do you want to do the beading?
Yeah, I think I want a little patch, you know, maybe like, what do you think, like,
2, 3?
maybe 3. But should I do it all 3 throughout or 3 in one area?
It depends on the look you're going for. I did 3 in one area, and then I did 1 on the other side, but I kind of liked it on one area. And then I took the 2 out and I left 1. And then I took everything out and left just 1. I kind of like it, like where don't have enough hair, not here, but on the other side.
Oh, okay. They're kind of divert. But you know one thing I've noticed? Cause I try not to wash my hair until I come in, you know. But my curls it's still not going nowhere at the end.
Mm-hmm. The back is, you know, still curly, but locked up curly.
Yeah.
The front, you know, that takes forever to lock, so. But yeah, you can have your curls, I think, for a long, long time. I'm gonna have you do me a favor and the one you want. Oh, you know what? I don't even think I can do it. Not to go to the room. That's okay. I gotta go get the other part. My needle and my.
It's a needle in here.
Yeah, the thread.
Look.
The one that I use.
Oh.
I guess I can. Let me check out the other needle in here. Let's see. Yeah, they're too small. I think the one that I have is in my room.
I'll do this one. Yeah, I think it'd be good, like one area, like 3. You think the rose gold or the white? Or a mixture.
A mixture. Oh, like one hair of rose gold, one hair white. Or mix it up together.
Yeah.
I don't see it looking good. I don't see it looking good together, mixed up. I don't see it looking good mixed up. I can see it like white on a strand and gold on a strand, but not mixed up.
So you want me to put it on the strand, on the thing, right?
On the what?
Do you want me to put it on a needle?
Oh no, I gotta go get the needle.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta go get it. I want you to choose what you want, and I'm gonna put some over here.
Ooh, so pretty.
Ooh, you burning me up.
Oh gosh. Until you get old. So I can do one row like hearts, and then these little.
I gotta see what I want to do with those, because if they can go on the lock versus me sewing them on, and I'll see. So I've not used those before.
So we're just gonna stick with the rose gold.
The white I can sew. Rose gold, I gotta touch it so you can see the weight of it.
Oh, okay.
I just gotta go get my stuff on the room.
It's so pretty. But I already got silver in my head. come a long way.
Mm-hmm.
I even got some little oil on it. I smelled it.
Alrighty. I will be back. Alright, so we're doing what?
I would like maybe hearts and then either this one or that one.
I like that. I like the look of that.
Okay.
And they're so big, I feel like I'm
No
gonna put it
strings.
in almost sparingly, you know, not
Oh, okay. Not
too,
together?
yeah, not too big.
Because it's so big.
Uh-huh. So let's see. With the heart.
Oh, because the heart is big.
The heart is big too.
Yeah. We're getting ready. It's almost February month. I'm just going back.
I'll put a little bit of these in there.
Okay. Is it?
It's smaller, way smaller.
Oh, okay. I'll let you use your creativeness.
Right. Right back.
Okay. Wait.
I have to see if I can use any needles. That's strange though. I took it on my trip because I had a feeling my mom was going to say she wants one. And now, oh, look at me. I already brought it back. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we're doing the other side? Like it.
Right there.
Open that door though.
You can turn it off.
It's suffocating.
So I'm suffocating.
You sure are. Too hot. Is this okay to eat? Yeah, just cut the top off. These threads are like so thick.
Oh, okay.
Can't go in the tiny eye of the needle. But you know what though? I wonder if this will fit because these things are big anyway. Let's see if it'll fit. It'll fit. Okay. Okay. Good morning from India. Hi, Samir.
Hey.
Good morning. Ron Stanley, why the mask? Tennessee's just been having a lot of respiratory. People have cold and stuff like that. So we're just playing it safe. At least for this month, we're gonna have everybody in masks just to make sure that we're good because we're playing it safe. The hairstylist disappeared a little bit too long.
Do it.
She said the hairstylist disappeared a little bit too long. I sure did. We're done with the hair. But she wants me to put some beading in her hair. So I had to go look for my tools. But I'm back. I'm back. Okay, thread. Why I gotta make it so hard? Denicia Turner and Plain. She said her hairstyle has been gone. You're wasting my time, lady. Where you at? All right, so we're gonna put in some lock sprinkles. Okay, now. You giving me a hard time, thread. Thread, give me a hard time, girl.
It is.
It's like you think you're young. All right. So the other side, right?
Is that what you think is best?
It doesn't matter. Where do you want it?
Yeah, I think. No, I think this side would be better.
This side?
Yeah.
On the top. Like.
Because this side.
Yeah, and it's thicker too. So you want like one laid in there sparingly, or one deep hidden in there. You know what I mean? Or
Let
do
you
you want
be
it in the front?
creative and do your thing.
Okay. Right, I think I'm gonna choose you. You said 3?
Mm-hmm.
Usually I use real tiny ones for tiny locks, but I've never used a big one for a tiny lock. We'll see how it looks.
Okay. Am I in your way?
Just trying to push this because I feel like what I'm doing is not being seen. You think you're left-handed?
If you need me to help you grab it, just let me know. I can help you.
This is too big for the heart.
The
needle's too big for the heart.
Oh.
It won't fit. The way that it is, to pull these threads in.
I got you right here.
Oh.
Somebody asked, how are you feeling today?
Hey, how are you feeling today? Rebecca Towns. I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Rebecca? And how about you? She might be asking you, Sylvia.
I'm great. Good. Feel even better now. Got my hair finished. So, yeah. So you want me to take the hearts out of that?
It's okay. I'll just ignore it. There it goes. I guess I'm coming right back here. It's probably easy for me to pick it up from there anyway. Oh, we got twins. I guess not.
They were stuck together?
Mm-hmm. Like they were manufactured together.
Now, how long would this stay on?
Until you take it out.
Oh,
Or if the end of the knot kind of comes unraveled, then it will start falling off. But yeah. Probably your next retight, and we have to take it off. Because it won't fit in the hole, you know?
Oh, no. So since it's so big, do you think still 3, maybe just 2?
2.
Yeah. Because, you know, it won't be so much.
Yeah.
But I like it.
Can you tell I'm not used to this needle? It's like my fingers are having a hard time. Even when I did weaves, I still didn't use curved needle. My fingers just don't like them. Wow, okay. That thing rolls like crazy.
Oh, yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Different. You're 55. I said you had 55. Now it's 36.
Oh, hello. Yeah, because people just
come in and come out.
Come in. And there's like a live feed, so people just kind of go through who's doing live.
Mm-hmm. I think it might even be okay with just one.
I know, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Here's your patient.
Yeah, because it's so big. I mean, it could go one more, but it's so big. If you go more, it will look ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think this puts a good spin on it, you know.
Yeah, it does. I wish the heart could fit. Finish with the heart. It doesn't fit.
Fat.
Mm-hmm. Never mind. I guess we'll end with a round.
So you don't recommend doing this until you like really locked in pretty good?
Yeah, yeah. Because it kind of, disrupts the locking process.
Mm-hmm.
And usually the way that I put it in, you just tear here and everything comes off. But because of these are so big, I'm having to actually sew it on. So this, I will have to take it off, not you.
Okay. cute. I love it.
Pretty, pretty.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, yes.
You want one more? Or I kind of like it. I kind of like it alone.
I think this would be good just since it's my first time. I like it.
Yeah. I kind of like it alone. It, like you said, it gives a little, well, what's
Touch
going
to
on
it.
in it.
I like it.
All right, cool.
Yeah, because see, I can still like, if I want to hide a little bit of it, I can.
And it's bright enough that it pops through it anyway. Like you can't miss it, it's there.
Yes.
Love the beads, Zari. Thank you. I love it too. Look, mine is red. I still got my red one hiding in here somewhere. Where am I at? Where's mine?
Oh, yeah. I love it. It looks good. Yes.
All right. Well, we're done. We're about to get out of here. Thank you guys for showing some love and coming through watching us.
Yeah, I didn't do anything wild and crazy today. Normally I would. But she's not trying to put me out of her chair anymore because that's what was trying to happen before. She was trying to kick me out of her chair and I was like, no.
She wasn't having it.
I'm here to stay. So you know I gotta have that to
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.
XOXO.
Is that love?
No, that was XX kisses, I guess. I don't know.
Oh.
Hugs and kisses or the XOXOs. MD Rajakan. Adios.